Here we have a Heroku-powered Agentforce agent, equipped with deep knowledge about the Heroku platform as a service, as well as how it fits into the overall Salesforce ecosystem. This agent can help across areas like sales enablement and solution design, providing just-in-time knowledge that helps you avoid the slowdown of context switching to confirm information. But wouldn't it be great if we could embed this agent into custom user experiences, combining the power of Agentforce with the flexibility of Heroku? You bet. Let's see it in action. With the click of a button, we'll launch a template Heroku app that provides a conversational interface to our agent. This app uses the popular Next.js framework to provide a TypeScript user interface and secure connection to our Salesforce org. From this starting point, you can customize the experience to be exactly what you want to provide for your users. First, specify the URL for your Salesforce organization. You can find this in the My Domain page in your Setup app. It's the one that ends in my.salesforce.com. The app will use this to interact with the Agentforce Agent API. Then let's locate the unique identifier for your agent. One way you can find this is in the Agentforce Agent section of your Setup app. Navigate to that page and click into your desired agent. In the page that loads, you'll find the unique identifier in the URL. Finally, provide credentials for a connected app that you've created according to the Agent API's documentation. Launch the app, and then you're on your way. You're up and running with a Heroku app on flexible compute that takes away the pain and distraction of managing infrastructure. Now, you have more deployment channels for your agent, provided through a pixel-perfect experience that you dictate, all the while leveraging the power of Agentforce under the hood. Now that is a powerful combination.